Don't let leftover rice go to waste. Let's turn it into shrimp and egg fried rice today. It's easy and tasty. Heat oil in the wok. Add 3 eggs, chopped green onion. Scramble quickly. Add the shrimp. Once they turn pink, throw in the pre-blanched carrots, corn, and green beans. Add the leftover rice. Quickly stir-fry the rice until the grains are distinct. Add a pinch of salt and some light soy sauce to season. Finally, stir-fry everything evenly over high heat. Then serve and enjoy. This fragrant mushroom chicken is so tasty, you'll keep coming back for more. Take the cut chicken thigh pieces, add ginger slices, cooking wine, ground pepper, salt, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and cornstarch. Stir the chicken and seasonings well until evenly coated, then let the mixture marinate for 30 minutes to keep the meat tender. Spray a little oil in the pan, add the marinated chicken, and fry over medium heat. Turn the chicken frequently halfway through. Fry for about 6 minutes until the surface turns golden brown and a meaty aroma fills the air. Then take it out and set aside. Add a little more oil to the pan. Add the chopped green onions and minced garlic and stir-fry over low heat until fragrant. Add the mushrooms, turn to medium heat, and stir-fry until the mushrooms turn soft. Add shredded bell peppers. Stir-fry quickly for 30 seconds. Then return the fried chicken to the pan. Continue stir-frying for 2 minutes to blend the flavors evenly. Once done, you can serve it on a plate. It tastes best when hot. Kids go crazy for this steamed lotus root and pork patty. Chop 250 grams of pork shoulder into minced meat. Chop one small section of lotus root into small chunks with the back of a knife. This keeps its crispy bite. Add salt, chicken powder, light soy sauce, cornstarch and 15 milliliters of water to the minced pork. Stir in one direction until the mixture turns thick and clumps together. Then add minced green onions, ginger, and the chopped lotus root. Gently mix well to preserve the lotus root's crisp texture. Transfer the meat filling to a steaming plate. Spray a little peanut oil for extra aroma and sprinkle a handful of corn kernels. Place the plate inside, cover the lid, and steam over medium heat for 12 minutes. It's super easy to make and pairs perfectly with rice.